Now, we are used to most on regular shapes and always the same size. That's how we build our construction. We go to the factory, we mass produce thousands, millions of blocks, we put them together and we make our buildings. What we have here, every block is of different size. We have similarity in Peru. For example, Cusco in Peru, we have huge walls, like above Cusco, 4 huge walls with 200,000 blocks, 200,000. Every one is of different size. Doesn't make sense too much to us, but it did make sense to the builder. Why? They're not quite sure why. If we are to speculate again, when you have these different shapes, different sizes, I think it helped with the structural stability. In the case of the earthquakes, instead of the whole structure collapsed, the whole structure would lock. Those blocks would, lock themselves. That's one thing. The other thing, we can see the slope towards the inside. Very similar, like the slope in the case of the moon pyramid. Again, it can be for the structural stability, but also we see the spaces between the blocks. They go all the way inside. It's possible that they serve to collect the water and to be some type of the air ventilation. So right now, it's hard to explain the whole structure. But I think it's very interesting, very unique and very unusual. And we can see very advanced construction techniques. I was discussing the case of the 2-layer blocks. In some cases we can see, maybe here, we can come on. We can see that the top layer is missing here. This layer is missing here. So this is a base. Base is completely flat. So what they were doing, they were gluing the top layer to the base. Why and how? Hard to say. They wanted to have this texture, this wavy pattern on the top. Okay, we can climb upstairs.